I had a restaurant in Home Firth, which was, if you don't know, it's in the Last of the Summer Wine country. And we used to have the cast of the Last of the Summer Wine coming into the restaurant, and Home Firth was a very busy place. And it was very successful, but also very demanding. It takes a lot out of you because our busiest time was at the weekends, and of course, you're always dealing with various issues. And I really enjoyed it, but it was something I was glad to sell after having it for 5 years. And then after that, I just wanted a new challenge. So, ServiceMaster seemed a great opportunity to build another business. I wanted a solid franchise with a well-established name. So I got the franchise, I got the details from the British Franchise Association. And there's lots of new franchises that come up that promise you lots of things, because they're obviously trying to grow. But I wanted an established franchise with a good track record, and ServiceMaster fitted the bill because it's been established in the UK since 1959. And obviously it's a well-recognized brand in America, and over here it's a well-established commercial cleaning franchise, with a strong brand. So I thought, well, that will suit me. So maybe I might have a bit more time off at the weekends, so I'm not having to think about have I got enough tea towels. I think I do work on the business as opposed to in the business. Like if you have a restaurant, it's so time consuming. But thankfully on a Friday, because all of the vast majority of my customers are cleaned from Monday to Friday, which means that we do mostly have a free weekend, which is very important to me. And if you have at the time when we had a young family, at least I could spend time with the kids, which they grow up so quick, and I wouldn't swap, the decision I made back in 1996 when I plumped for ServiceMaster Commercial Cleaning Franchise. It was a good fit for me, and it's worked very well for me. So yes, I've always been very happy with ServiceMaster.